Other TVJ News follow-up, residents in St. Elizabeth are once again counting their losses after heavy rainfall yesterday triggered flooding across several communities. In Santa Cruz, the flood rains left key roads damaged, vendors displaced, and motorists pleading for urgent intervention. Yannick Williams has the details.
We'll give that gully a warning. The gully name Market Gully. This is another gully, guys. Santa Cruz, my dear guys. So this is a gully, you know. Me will name the gully too, you know. The gully name Park Gully.
Yes, my people. Yeah, man. Welcome back. Yeah, man. And welcome to another one. Welcome to Yardman TV News and Entertainment. Yes, my people. I'm going to tell you, today we come and talk about some flooding. Santa Cruz flooding and neighboring community around Santa Cruz. From there, they are bare rain falling here. I tell you, my people, crazy rain. When I say crazy rain, I mean crazy rain. Yes, my people. And today we are going to react on some. And look where I go on. Yeah, man, and see how from Melissa, how we water does cut some kind of way and cut some kind of channel when I take nothing. When the rain fall hard. Feet on flood out. Yes, my people. Yeah, man, so today we are going to look on it. Yeah, man, I react around it, cause be a sitting, man. Town flood out. People market goes wash way. All kind of sitting, you can't move, not even my inch, I mean, water way up. Yeah, man. So, we are going to look on it, yeah, man, I look on it. How the water cut comes straight down. Two different parts. Big part. The peak all changed like a river. Leave. We're going to look on it today. Yeah, man. So thank you for checking it out. Yes, my people. So, we could just look on it. Yeah, man. Boom.
Guys, my Santa, guys. Yeah, I know many of you more time in the day Santa Cruz, and I wonder how Santa Cruz always a flood out. Alright, you see the gully here? We'll give the gully a warning. The gully name Market Gully. Yeah, you see when the gully come down, guys, the gully go down right through Market. So some of the time I wonder say, oh, this water dirty, so. Yeah, man, see gully, man, Market Gully, guys. So what they must say now, they must say Santa Cruz town developed so fast that they never come up with a plan how to control these gully water, guys. See, it's a gully. Yeah, it's a gully. And the gully end up right down through Market, guys. So Santa Cruz developed so fast that they never had no plans how to sort out the gully. That's the water would flood out the market or flood out the town, guys. Yeah, man, it's a gully, man. So what you feel say the gully mouth end up right out in the street, guys. Yeah, man, it's a gully, man. I'm not sure now which part it end out. Yeah, a two gully.
Yes, my people. You see that? Crazy something. Crazy something. You see it deep. That well deep, you know, when the water come down through that and the thing in that part where you're gone, you know. You see amount of water where you come down through that, you know, take nothing to flood the town in our whips. Yes, my people. So, you see it now?
The building here. Alright, in the building the gully mouth end up. So imagine the amount of water we run all through them place, guys. See? Come on, alright, come out through here, so guys, right now the car park here. Car wash. Is it? Come on. So when it come down now, it tear up the whole of them place, so guys, all them shop out there, so. Yeah. So I just give you now one walk. So we end out here. So that's why Santa Cruz town always flood out, guys. Yeah, this is a gully me I give it name, you know. Market Gully this. So all the water, guys, come out right out in the town. So. Yeah, I just walk and show you which part you go. So more time we flood out all none of them place there, guys. Yeah. Whole of your sand water, all of them are business here, guys. So I say why them can't come up with a plans and try get a gully. Cut it through the street, brother. And build bridge. Just like when you go to town. See there. A whole heap of business on here, man. The whole of them are building are affected when it comes down, you know. Is it? All of them are business here, guys. So I say water follow straight down. Just a walk and show now. Yeah man, me show you which part you know, straight out in the market. All of them are places, guys. A river. So in town on this one. Yeah, done this in town. So I just say water come through, guys. Flood out the whole of town. I need to go up on the drawing board, man, and come up with a solution to them problem. Yeah man, build one gully, man. Yeah, if you push out a couple of them building and build a gully, guys. You cannot develop town develop so rapidly. And the people them always are affected by flood waters. Yeah man, straight down here so you come, guys. Yeah, town. So, see me there on Main Street, Market Street. Is it? Yeah man, my dad Santa, so I just do that video. So a straight down as the river come, guys, Market Gully. When this is sitting come down, man, you wash it all down here, so guys, me say you wash it all car out here which we can. Yeah. Yeah man, I done this so you go, guys, straight down. Yeah. It's Market Street on this one. So all of that gully water, Market Gully, I done this so you go, guys. Yeah. Right in town. Yeah man, that is it, guys. They need to come up with a solution to solve the problem at Santa Cruz, guys. Yeah. Santa Cruz Gully, man. Market Gully. Board.
Yes, my people. The whole of that, the water, they come right down. If you come in a credit union right there, say, you know, and come through pass and come down through plaza and come hit in front of in town gate and go down in front of PJs and go down in the market, you know. And you know, so right off on a section there, so on the roadside, beer people sell. When the water come down and them the place, the people have here run like thief. Now, yo, from Melissa, it used to come down wicked, not tell no lie. But from Melissa, it come down extra. Yeah, although some extra rain a fall. You have to wonder. Yeah, man. But peeps, and a one gully, or two gully. So when you go way up a bus park, and we go check it out. Crazy, crazy, crazy gully. When that come down with the water, and crazy something. Yes, my peeps. So, check it out.
This is another gully, guys. Santa Cruz, me there, guys. So this is a gully here now. Me will name the gully here too, you know. The gully here name Park Gully, guys. Yeah, this is another gully, guys. When this come down, it flood out the whole of them park. Yeah. So, this way it go through here. Yeah man, this is one named Park Gully. Yeah, go through here, so guys. This is a tunnel. It is a tunnel, this or is a bridge. No found, never know say this there, so down. Yeah man, this is another gully guys. That one end out in a park guys, so I call it Park Gully. So the water goes straight through here so. And when it got me make on a switch part, it end out in a park guys, hold on. So see it here, this is another gully. It's a gully named Park Gully. Yeah. Come on, a big gully this here guys. Lots of water, volumes. Whole heap of water. Man, as you can see man, that is a bridge, that is a come like is a tunnel. But I under the water go guys, hold on. So guys, the underground carriage, you see me just show you where the end out right there, so yeah, right out there, so them call out as a states playground over this. So as I said, gully water the guys dig down the hole here, so guys. Yeah. Yeah man, I dig down the hole here, so right there, so it come up guys. Yeah. Come up through somewhere here, so. So the whole of the volume of water guys land straight in the street. Yeah, in a park street. Yeah. And this I said water, you know. I dig down all them bank in there guys. So I show you which part it end out. Yeah. Park Gully me call it guys, me just give it some name, you know. So I make a one tour, just go and watch the video man. I show you what is what. Our flood out Santa Cruz guys. Place need a proper gully guys. Yeah, and I talk about no little gully, I talk about 18 feet across gully guys. Yeah, you can't believe 18 feet tall too. It look like them want me job some plan with them. So the gully comes straight through here so guys, when it overflow or when it block up. Yeah, straight through park, me there in a park you know. Yeah, man, when that come down, man, all them places, guys, name up. All over them place, they underwater.
Sometime when rain start fall up in the hills, no rain not fi fall a Santa Fe flood out. Crazy water come down through them gully and flood it out. Crazy. And in a fall a Santa. Just fall up in the hill here. Crazy something my peeps. We have to do something about this. Yeah man. We have to do something about this. To make a design where you can avoid from flood out the town. Yes my peeps. Take him up.
That affected. Flood out. I'll show you which part of the water mark. See there? All of them things we are look on the water mark. The water tall, that's it. Park wash out. Man, it's a river. I'll show you which part the land in the road again, guys. Man, in a Melissa, all them place are wash out. All them building over here, so wash out. So the gully come through here, so again, guys. Yeah. Straight through here, so you go, guys. One again, I want to look, you come down through here, so guys. Gully. If easy all them a 2 cal but you can't carry water guys. See. Them the 2 cal but they can't carry the volume of water there. So yes, the gully come through guys, I'll show you. This a gully can't carry so much water. So as I say, them say Santa Cruz did develop so fast. That's them don't come up with a proper draining system guys. So straight through them places I come. That one in I gully me them, I'll show you which part it end out guys. Yeah man, just show you how Santa Cruz draining system set up guys. Yeah man. So it go on there, so. Yeah, man, straight through them places. Yeah. Straight through the building here you go, guys. Just give you now one tour. Yeah, man, straight through here so you come, guys. So you see how they line up all this building? Yeah, man, I go like this. I'm well creative, yes, I do. I mean, I don't found you never know, so I saw it set up, guys. I'll show you which part it end out. Santa Cruz draining system, this, guys. So the water here come around here, so guys. I'll show you where you gully end out. Just don't move. I'll show you, man. Yeah, man, look which part here out, guys. You see them building over there, so? That's it. Alright, this is a gully now. Park gully end out there, so guys. Straight another street. Yeah. See there. Park gully this. Straight another street there end out, guys. So imagine all of them the place, guys. Wash out. Yeah, man. See it? So all them a building now when the water go for gas out, guys. A straight over and them building there, guys. So this is a Santa Cruz thing set up. They must say it town develop so quick that them never have no proper plan for no draining system, guys. So I don't know if them dip on the giant board and I try to job that thing for it or something, I don't know. But it's annoying, brother. The Santa Cruz. You have to have my case come out before the flooding start, guys. And you have one next water will come down for police station road, guys. That just like a hotel. Sorry to say. That is just like a gully too, guys. Yeah, guys, that are the gully tours.
Yes, my peeps. That's some crazy gully. You can call them there some crazy gully. Believe me, my peeps. And I tell you, what do you got about it? Government have got to step in and do something about it. Yes, because we can't live like that. People them can't live like that. Where just a flood out, the whole town turn a river. From two sides, trench did they attack you with water. Water come down like a monster. When rain fall, and rain fall daily. Crazy. Government have to do something about it. Something have to do about it. We can channel this water the right way. You know, done it down. Because it's going to eventually done it down completely. Believe me. Can't blame no man. A natural disaster. But we as humans have to jump in and try to fix it and regulate it. Make it better. You can imagine all them people after Melissa put on them paving and thing, everything rip off back, you know. Crazy, some never know say that the big old trench they up there, you know. That come do that the damage there and flood out back your place, you know. Believe me, that's how I go. Give thanks to life. Yeah, man. If you reach up far and you watch up far, remember to like and subscribe. Yes, my peeps. Like and subscribe. Yeah, man. Click in notification and get more like this. Yeah, man. So, big up on yourself. Yeah, man. Yardman TV News and Entertainment. I'm out. Boom.